over the university and being in control with the assistance of the chairman and the vice chancellor. Yeah, exactly, and then to the Vice Chancellor. This is transference of the instruments of power to the university. And a similar thing we want to do with the maize, from the chairman to the Chancellor and to the Vice Chancellor. We do the same with the logo. And so the Vice Chancellor now is fully empowered to take over the university. And finally, the accreditation report, which contains all the things we have told them to do and to continue doing in order to maintain the high quality that is consistent with the logo that we just saw about the flame that is going to bring about innovation in this country.